I'm Gina Lawrence. I work at RedEye International in Crewe and I am the Facilities and HR Coordinator. We are at the Crewe Hall Farm Estate, which is just on the outskirts of Crewe, next to Crewe Hall Farm, really close to where Construction Linx is, and it's a really nice, picturesque converted barn. So I'm responsible for looking after all of the facilities here. That includes anything from making sure that the buildings are running correctly to assisting with the payment of the bills, and also generally just looking after the staff in the building. The Construction Linx for RedEye, they are just so easy to deal with. They are literally there at the drop of a hat. Whenever we have any issues, whether it be something that's really small like a leaking tap, or we have an absolute catastrophe, we know that we can call them and they will be there as soon as possible. Whenever we've had Construction Linx do work for us in the past, they've always been really, really helpful. No job has ever been too big or too small for them. They've been really, really good. Everyone's super helpful and really, really patient when we have jobs that are maybe a little bit more difficult to facilitate because of our opening times or anything like that. They've been really good. I would be really happy to recommend Construction Linx to any company out there that would be looking to have any sort of maintenance work done. They've been really, really reliable for us. I couldn't recommend them enough.